The main driver of the conference is to bring together our partners and to let the customers on the islands know that we're working in partnership with some of the leading global players, so the likes of Dimension Data and Cisco, and it's really just to inform our customers how we're developing as an organisation.
Now we're seeing with this cloud and with partners like JT, you don't have to be working for Google if you want to use Puppet to do an implementation and try something out for 2 weeks and turn it off. You can go put it with JT, spin up some new environments, see whether they work, and if they don't work, turn them off, or if they do work, buy more. And you can do that now if you're in Jersey or in Guernsey. You don't have to be in Palo Alto or Santa Clara.
I think it's critically important that companies do embrace that concept of agility, that they actively consider where people are working today, that they embrace bring your own device, choose your own device, decide whether they want to allow all employees to bring their own and manage them, or they want to give them and do a split part of management. Because if they're doing that, people are significantly more productive, they're providing a much better customer experience, and that allows our business to change, us to be more agile, and people to take more responsibility of their service that they're providing to their customers and clients.
What we found over the last year is that our clients, whether they're large blue chip clients or small niche businesses, want the ability to not only connect wirelessly to their own infrastructures, but also allow the guests to actually access their own business networks, albeit through a very secure interface.
The cloud technologies that we've got really offer a number of benefits: economies of scale, security, the data stays on island, so the jurisdictional issues about where data reside are all addressed. JT is absolutely the right partner for us in terms of what we're doing here. They've got the data centres, they've got the infrastructure, they've already got the customer relationships.
The debate is about whether it should be hosted in a data centre owned by JT, or whether it should be equipment that's on-premise within the customer environment. And those are the discussions we're having at the moment. To a large extent, it makes a lot more sense where the data centres are already there, they're secure and properly managed, to put unified communication licenses into that data centre and then supply unified communication services to the customer over the internet.
One of the key things is to partner with strong service providers and telco background. And JT obviously have a big presence, a large network, and they can really help with the attack mitigation within DDoS.
I found it really interesting, actually. I think financial services, certainly from my perspective, has been quite a slow adopter of things like the cloud. Probably for good, valid reasons based around security. But I thought what today's presentation showed is that there are ways of managing that risk, and actually there are tremendous incentives, certainly from a cost point of view, to try and make better use of cloud technology going forward. So I personally found it very rewarding.
I think this was quite helpful because it gives out kind of like a background of what all their services are. So for other companies which don't really understand what JT offers, it's been quite helpful.
I think it's vital for the corporate clients that we have in the islands, the calibre of the customers that we look after. They're looking for best-of-breed, enterprise-class services and solutions, and so in order to deliver those, JT needs to partner with the global players that we're talking about.